Okay guys, we're at Fort Borst Park right now. We're going to be doing some trout fishing. They just recently stocked the pond, and this is what I'm using. I got a Carolina rig right now. I got a Carolina weight with a barrel swivel, and then I got a mice tail under that. I just caught a trout just now out there, so let's see if we can get some more. Boom, way out there. And there's my bag right over here. It's currently raining right now, but that doesn't seem to bother the bite. I just like to let my line out there, keep a little slack, and I'll like twitch it every once in a while. And then after I'm done twitching it, I just set my rod down, put some slack in it. Oh, I got fish already. Oh, it's on. I thought it fell off. It's on there. Oh, it's a jumper. Oh, it's a good one. Oh. Here, I'm gonna go grab my little fish hook removers. Let's see back in there. Oh, this is chaos. Okay. Got my hook removers. Let me get over here, fatty. Okay, got herself a decent little stock trout, and he pretty much choked the mice tail. But these hook removers make it super simple to get the hook out without injuring the fish. Just gotta get a good grip on the hook and then shake it off, and then wait, is he gonna give me? I want him to give me back my mice tail. Is my mice tail in there? Nope. Okay, there he goes. Yeah, he took my mice tail out there. Good thing I got a lot more. There's more where that came from. These things do not smell the best. Very potent. Got a size 10 hook right here, really small. Then check that mice tail. Keep the hook remotely hidden, but you want to have it exposed a tiny bit so that you get a good hook on them. And my line is all tangled up. Give me a second, guys. Okay, got that out there. Time to go catch another. Get that out there. Tighten my drag a tiny bit because I thought he fell off for a second. I just need to get caught up with him. Switch it a little bit. Switch. Set the bag down. Wait for my line to shoot out. Oh, there's another one. Right when I set it in the water. Oh, he's on there. Wait for him to swim off with it. Then I'll hook him. Is he gonna go? Oh, I guess not. I'll just set that there again. Wait for him to bite. I don't think it'll take long for him to come back for it. since he ate it right when it hit the water. I'm actually, yeah, there's nothing on there. Well, my tail's still there though. Okay, so I've got bit by fish every cast. And I'm 1 for 2 right now. I missed that fish. I'm gonna set this rod down and cast on my BFS rod and have a little inline spinner. Touch. Set the rod down. They usually eat it like right when I set my rod down. Like they're being very active today. And here's a little inline spinner I got on there. I got it yesterday. Some red and yellow action on there. There it is. Dusting down there a little bit. I think the trout were just like schooled up right there. That's why I caught them so fast. That's a really far cast. Put that way out there, let that sink. I'm reeling this really slow to where it just starts to spin. And I really want to catch a trout on it today. Oh, we got a fish on the nice tail. There he is. I have 12-pound line on right now is my main line. But I have a 6-pound mono leader that goes to the hook. Because these trout have really good eyesight. And they can see like the tiniest little stuff in there. So you don't have really light leader. These things do not stop, do they? Okay, where did I put those hook removers? I'm pretty sure I set them down. Where did I put them? Oh, they're right here. This is actually a pretty good trout, guys. Yeah, it is a good trout. I'm not really going for keeps today, but that is a chunky stock trout. Hey, stop wiggling so I can get you unhooked there. Pull that mice tail up out of there so we can get that hook out. I'm just getting the line a little bit taut so that I can see the hook better. And then I'll just grab that hook, flip it upside down. Come here, Trout, I want a picture with you. Okay. Get my phone out. Off it goes. So you guys, it's super easy and simple to catch the stock trout. And I usually don't even fish for them this time of year. It's like mid-December right now. Or like close to mid-December, at least. But I usually fish for them in the springtime. But whenever they stock them, they like to bite a lot, really good. And especially on these mice tails with the white head and pink tail, that's where you'll catch a ton of fish on, guys. So I'm gonna go finish this day off, and I'll see you guys some other time. See ya.